everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to fix a Doordash payment error in 2025. The first thing you need to do is double check your payment information. Ensure that the credit card number, expiration date, security code, and billing zip code are entered correctly. Any mismatch can cause the payment to fail. Next, you need to make sure your selected payment method has enough available balance or credit to cover the total cost of your order, including any delivery fees and tips. If the first payment method fails, try using a different card or a payment platform like PayPal or Google Pay, if available on Doordash. Next, if your card details have changed, update them in the Doordash app or website using the payment method section in your account settings. You might need to delete the old card and add the new one. Sometimes a temporary glitch in the app can cause payment issues. If that's so, close the Doordash app completely and then reopen it to see if the problem is resolved. Don't forget to check your internet connection, as a weak or unstable internet connection can sometimes interfere with the payment process. If you've tried the above steps and are still experiencing payment errors, the next step is to contact Doordash support directly for assistance. They can help identify and resolve any underlying issues with your account or the payment system. You can easily find contact information within the Doordash app or on their website. It's very important for you to know that you should keep your Doordash app updated to the latest version, as updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can resolve payment-related issues. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.